Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this magician look and dress to impress. Okay guys, the outfit will look like this, and I'm going to show you the items I'm wearing to create this outfit. Okay, the first one, you're going to choose all these hairstyles and you're going to color it red. This red color, you can copy my color code. And for this hairstyle, you're going to select no bangs. Okay, just remove the bangs, and we're going to move to the next area. It's right here. You can choose this dude and you're going to color it white. Color it black for the first selection, and for the second selection as well, and for the third selection, color it white, and the last selection, color it white. This is for the bun. Okay, and then I'm going to wear this hat. I'm going to make it black for the first selection and for the second selection as well. And the flower. Okay, now it's done, and then I'm going to select this this corset, and I'm going to change the green color with the black color. Just make it black like this, and I'm going to choose this jacket and make it all black. Okay, just select the black color for all the previews. Okay, and then I'm going to put on this heel. I'm going to change the toggle to knee length. Okay, enough. And I'm going to go to this area and select this bow, and I change the toggle to 4, color it black. Alright, and I'm going to move to the dressing room, and I'm going to choose the Sabrina Carpenter outfit. Okay, make sure you have purchased this item, and I'm going to color it all black. Okay, just make it all black. Okay. Alright, and then I'm going to choose one of the currency items, this one, and then I'm just going to make them all white. You just make all white for all the previews or all the selections. And I'm going to choose one of the item from the Valentine update, this one guys, but it's for VIP, and you can skip this one if you don't have VIP. You can replace it with the other item, for example the one from the pedal update. Okay, now it's done, and this is the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.